is 14 inches, and in HP 630 the size is 15.6 inches. So as you can see, the top panel is having the same pretty color, metallic finish that it comes with. All the HP 630s come with the same finish. It's got a matte finish to it, to be very precise, as you can see. The HP logo does not light up. Let's open up and have a look at. This is the way the HP 430 looks from the inside. An absolute mimic and twin of HP 630. The keyboard is not chiclet and does not have a numpad, as you can see here. Same with HP 632. There is a singular power button here. There are no other buttons at all. It comes with two Altec Lansing speakers, one here and another one here. This is the place. The design is entirely pretty here. The metallic finish is continued the way it is in the base, and there is this black finish which encompasses the design that is there, the metallic design. Split touchpad, as you can see. The touchpad is neat enough. It's not all that big, to be very precise. It's having a very rough finish for good grip. The keyboard is not chiclet, as you can see. It's a light of a downer actually, because all the laptops nowadays are having a chiclet keyboard bundled. Let's have a look at the bezel. It's again having a matte finish to it. Does not have glossy finish, the bezel here. The LCD though has got a glossy finish to it, as you can see. Let's see, what do we have? We're also going to compare the HP 430 that we're reviewing with the HP 630 later in the video. So on the left side you have a VGA port, you have the fan vent, Ethernet port, HDMI, you have a USB 2.0, headphone and mic, and a memory card reader. And the front, there's absolutely no buttons, no ports whatsoever. We've kept it very, very neat. And on the right side you have the DVD writer, and you have two more USB ports, either a charging port and a Kensington lock. Let's have a look at the base. How does it look like? This is the base, and there are these four rudders to give you comfortable separation from the base where you're working. These two panels basically are used, this one for the RAM and this one for the hard drive. If you want to upgrade the hard drive, you have to just remove this panel and RAM here, which I've already shown in the other video. Okay, let's have a look at the battery that comes along with this thing. The battery, as you can see, is a HP MU6 notebook battery. Part number is MU06, as you can see now. And we're just finding the watt hours. It's got 47 watt hours. 10.8 volts is the voltage specification, and wattage is 47 watt hours. It's a 6-cell lithium ion battery, fits absolutely fine and completes the design. If you want to remove the battery, you can just press this button and the battery pops out. The adapter is a 65 watt adapter. As you can see, it has got 18.5 volts and 3.5 ampere power rating. It's a standard HP adapter that comes along with this thing, with a big pin that is there. So let's now compare this particular HP 430 with the HP 630 so that you will get an exact idea of the size. So as you can see, we have the HP 430 on the left and HP 630 on the right. 630 being the 15.6 version is a little bigger, as you can see the difference here. Let's open it and have a look at the difference. This is the way it looks. This is the difference in size, if you can see and make out. It's the 430 is quite a handy one. The weight is around 2.3 kgs, the 630 is around 2.7 kgs, and the overall mass is bigger in the 630. Let's have a comparison done on the slimness of the two. Both of them are equally slim. There's no major difference in the two as such. As you can see here, they're equally, the size basically is, the slimness is not a difference, absolutely the same. The top one is the 430 and the base one is the HP 630. The top, this is the way it looks. This is the overall difference in the size and the mass HP 430 and 630 have. So this, my friends, is the review of HP 430. This one